Now the cloud connectivity, how the cloud going to be cloud connectivity means just not going to be connect the cloud, connectivity of the devices or connectivity of your service what you have bought from the cloud server, how you will connect with that cloud. For the example, you have just uploaded some photos over the Google. So what you will do, every time you will have to require a application where you will put your username and password, and then you will able to access your photos. Okay, similar, there is a lots of the organization, like this is a organization and it has bought some services on the cloud. So how they will connect? Because ultimate, to connect with the cloud service, you need to accessibility by the remotely. So there is a two types of the connectivity happens. One is a through the internet, another is a through the virtual VPN, through the VPN. VPN also required a internet, but you can connect directly on the internet by using the API. API, already you know about this interface. By using the API, you can connect with the cloud application by using the your web browser. Other thing is you can use the VPN services. VPN actually used for the better security and congestion control. And also there is a still limited by the public internet latency, and the bottleneck means having the slow speed. And another type of the cloud connectivity may be possible with the direct or the private connection or the co-location. It is depend for the cloud users, means not cloud user, cloud administrator. Like any organization who have set up the data center, so it is necessary to manage the data centers also. So there is a direct link is available. By using the direct link, the administrator will connect with this and they can do the required configuration. Okay. Another is a infrastructure as a code. Because everything cannot do on the cloud by doing the manual things. Manual things means like you have required installation of the operating system, installing the OS, installing some software, do some configuration, providing the IP addresses and lots of the things. So these are the things you can doing through the manual. It is taking a long time. So on the cloud, most of the things based on the script. So script is going to be lead to the automation, means you will have to write the script and just run the script. So there is a two types of the script are available which will be run over the cloud. One is called imperative tools, another called declarative. So in a imperative, where you going to be input the configuration by using the step to step or following the steps. Like you can write a application in a bash, write a application or script in a PowerShell. It is depend on the platform. If you have the Windows platform, then you will write the script in a PowerShell. If the platform is based on the Linux, so you will have to write a script in a bash, right? But there is also another type of the programming. It is called declarative. So on this programming, you will have to good knowledge for the scripting. But for the declarative, you don't require the scripting knowledge. Why? Because there is a drag and drop solution is available. Like you are going to develop a website, there is a lots of the platform we are providing the website builder where you can just drag and drop and edit and create your website. So this type of the programming is known as a declarative. Okay. And orchestration means the automation script based on the sequence, first, second and third. So it is generally used by the Ceph, Puppet, Ansible, Kubernetes. These Ceph, Puppet and Ansible are using the SD-WAN or the SDN. Kubernetes is used for the managing the Dockers. So if we talk about the security, because if you have buy some cloud services, so you will have put your all the data on the cloud. So who will be responsible for the security? You or the cloud service provider? Of course, the cloud service provider. But your data is available on this interface. So you will have to transfer the risk, means on the based of the security, when you are going to read or creating the SLA, service level agreement, it is necessary to mention there who will be responsible for the security. And of course the cloud will be responsible for the security. So it is also called matrix, cloud responsibility matrix. What are the matrix, or what type of the security can be used? They will encrypt the data, they will protect from any type of the external attack, which type of the agreement they will have to with you to protecting your data. Security of the cloud versus security in the cloud, means there is a cloud infrastructure, so providing the complete security, it is known as a cloud security. But you have bought a virtual machine or a one machine, so this is any application you have hosted, any operating system you have installed there. So this is the inside security will be done by the you. So it is called security in cloud. Okay. And there is a legal and some regulatory responsibilities which can be handled by the cloud, like licensing and other things. Okay. There is a possibilities of the insider threats which are available on the cloud, means the person who are working inside the cloud, on the cloud, so there is a possibilities to breach your data. It is known as a insider threats. Okay. So it is all about the cloud scalability, elasticity, cloud deployment, cloud services, connectivity, infrastructure. So anything or any question do you have? If you have, please ask.